So we're going to begin with removing the old ones. And so they have one bolt here, one bolt here, one here that is accessible through the actual grille. I'll show you later. And there's like a sliding tab on the back. In order to access these two, there's two rubber caps underneath that you need to remove. Of course, you need to lift the car. Probably it's going to be easier if it's on the ground instead on the ramp, because where the actual ramp sits, it might be blocking the access point. Lift it up, remove them, two bolts, one here, and hopefully off. So let's get on with it. And yeah, also George is working on a very cool bespoke Porsche Cayenne. We don't really love Cayennes, don't we, George? We fucking hate them, yeah? One quick advice. So whenever you lift this, because the first time the customer came in the garage, he said he took it somewhere, and it took them an hour to figure out how to lift this on the ramp. Very simple. This is a monocoque. So anywhere underneath, when you bang it, you can feel that it's like solid. Anywhere that is solid, you can lift it. Okay. Nice. Nice. Stuck. Nice. Ooh, that's not what I like to hear. Fucking hell. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, this spun over. Probably broke. Easy peasy job. Same thing here. Fuck. Completely probably rusted. Yeah. Yeah. Same thing here. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm living the dream, bro. It's parts, George. Parts. Compare it first, please. Yeah, so after we've broken the lower tabs or removed them, whichever works for you, we need to remove this side cover. It's on a Spyder model. So remove the side cover. There's a bracket on the top that needs to be removed. So it's not this one. It's behind this bracket. There we go. So ready to come out. George, I need your help. Okay. Let's try it. This is oh, it's fine. It's gone. One is off. These are completely rusted inside. On the side, let me show you. Completely rusted. So this is rusted inside. Probably that's aluminium. This is metal, and yeah, same on this side. It did come out a bit, but not fully. Long boat. Okay. George, come for one sec. Flashlight on the top. Pull. Pull this. Yeah. Is it going?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Is it not out?
No.
Pull. Pull up. Whew. Okay. That's it. Go to bed. Okay. So someone has been here before. The caps are missing. Yeah, it feels like the same fucking way in this here. But I have an idea. Let's see. Oh, this is broken already. Okay. This is already broken. Fuck all is happening here. Alright. I have to resort to the fucking hell. Next step. Let's see if we can do this. George, can you come for 1 sec? Pull up. Give me a hand. It's fucking bullshit. See, this is fucked. See?
Yeah.
What I'm doing is this.
Yeah, same like this side.
Yeah. No, on this side, yeah. Hoping that I could get it out, but I won't get it out.
Can I?
I just... All that I've done is just clamp it. That was it. Mason? Can I... are you going to help him, or do you want me to give you a task? No, you don't need to remove this. So look, this broke.
Nice.
We
Where's the other piece?
I don't think there was another piece, bro.
Let the bodies hit the floor.
Well, we need to clean it first before we... Yeah, but you can fuck off still. Just use a little bit to clean it around here, and we can just... And you can just restore it.
Yeah, Hans was like, yeah, I'm gonna make it very hard for them to do. Yeah, yeah, they're gonna suffer. Get to the chopper.
You fucking... How am I supposed to pull it down?
Straighten it. Can you straighten it?
Straighten what?
Like the tool.
No.
Because you're making the bolt go
No,
this up
no,
top
that's
side.
how it is, bro. Sexual harassment. Fucking hell. It is.
This is very scary.
Sketch. Yeah, boy. Someone glued it in here, bro. I need to figure out a way to attach it differently. Because that's why these are broken. Nice. Oh, very good. This is amazing. Yeah. Yeah, this probably needs to be pressed in somehow. Probably heat it up.
Heat what up? Plastic?
Yeah, this one.
That one.
Yeah, heat it up and press it in. Let the Barbies hit the floor. Is that what you're saying? Right, so we've done one, as you can see. So this one is heat pressed in, and this one is a bit of improvising. So we took a plastic pipe, cut it in half, melted it together with the actual tab, and then on top of it, we filled it with plastic and glue, and this is not going anywhere at all. And now, Mason, Manson, go and let's show the people. Right, all right. Now, this needs to go back in just the same way it came out. One sec. Let's show. So there's a tab. It goes in here. And the rest is just bolted. All right, go on. Yay. There we go. That is how it should be sitting. After we mount it, we're gonna polish it so it's nice and shiny. Carbon fiber. All right, Mason, crack on. Now, the fun part is to sort this one out. Let's see what we can do about it. You can see this is tapered, and we need to heat this up and press it in. Okay. There we go. Go in there. stock.
Are we still in line?
Yeah, it looks good. Looking good.
You sure?
Yep.
Sounds a bit hesitant. Has it gone off?
No, it's looking good, bro.
Yeah?
No, it hasn't gone off. It's just it's a little bit out. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah?
It was a little bit out.
Oh, I know what you're saying. Yeah.
But the rest, it looks good. You can tighten it and that's it, bro. All right. So panel is in. Nice and flush. I'll show you later. And the only thing that is left to do is put back everything the same order and polish it. Looking good. What do you say, Mason? It's looking very sexual. Oh, this carbon fiber. Lower this.